Back elementary O2. Okay, so now we'll go over problems from elementary 02. Problem 1. Identify points in order from low to high. So here are points in blue. Okay, so you want to identify them from low to high, so from left to right. So if you notice, that's -10, -11, -12, -13. Okay, so here is 0. When you go left, you increase in magnitude and you are negative. So again, -10, -11, -12, -13. That's the first one. Okay, they want us to separate our answers by commas. Now the next one is here. 0, -1, -2, -3. Next one is 0. Here is 9. It's 1 before 10. And this is 15, 16, 17. Okay, next problem. Order 4, 18, -15 and 6 from least to greatest. Least, the smallest. Look, that's negative. Sorry, that's negative. So these are all positive, so that's of course the least. That's -15, comma. The next biggest, these are all positive, so 4, comma, 6, comma, 18. Next, absolute value of 11 is simply 11. Absolute value of -5, absolute value gives you the magnitude, so the negative is ignored, it's just 5. I hope you remember, absolute value of any number always gives you its magnitude, so it's always going to be positive or 0. Absolute value of -14.9. It is positive 14.9. Negative of absolute value of -3. So the negative outside is still negative, whereas absolute value of -3 is a 3. Okay. Negative of negative of negative. There are 3 negatives. So overall, a -7. Okay. 2 negatives make a positive, 1 negative survives. Here, absolute value of negative, negative, negative. So that's absolute value of something 12. Well, absolute value only gives you the number inside. The negatives all get taken away by the absolute value. Okay, compare, right? -20 and 2. Well, -20 is to the left of 0, so it is less than. -11. Well, -11 is more negative than -3. In other words, it's farther to the left. It is less than. If I take absolute value, that becomes +11. This becomes +3. +11 is greater than +3. Here, 16 and negative of negative 22. That's positive 22. 16 is less than positive 22. That's absolute value of negative 20. So that's 20 and that's negative 19. 20 is greater than any negative number. Here 22, and this is absolute value negative 22. So that's also 22. 22 is equal to 22. So that completes elementary 02. Next videos will cover elementary 03. Until then,